Hello, good morning. It is 20 to 11. I've been up since 9 o'clock because of the kids. And I woke up hungry today, more than usual. I'm off over Asda now, going to get some bread, oil, and cat food because we ran out. I think we're going to be taking the kids to the park today, if the weather holds up. Yeah, that's the plan for today so far. I'm gonna go to Asda now, and then I'll see you with whatever I'm doing next.
Can't go wrong when you've got friends like these. Love Monster. Yes, you love Monster. Starts Monday at 8:15 on CBB's MPVC iPlayer.
Is that comfy? Ah, picking your nose. Is that comfy, Felicity? You're watching telly. It could be on YouTube later.
You will just have to wait and see.
Yeah.
Now hold those for me, Topsy.
It could be on a YouTube video.
For me, please. Good girl. Get into your seat for me. Thank you.
Cinnamon is a spice that comes from the bark of the cinnamon tree. There are lots of different types of cinnamon from around the world, but most of the world's cinnamon comes from Sri Lanka.
And you do that.
The cinnamon bark is ground down to make powder, which is used in lots of food and drink.
I think Felicity's busy
Cinnamon
doing
has
that.
a sweet but strong woody flavour.
You try?
It's a very popular ingredient
Oh,
in
look
baking
at him.
cinnamon.
Be careful.
Yes, someone do that.
George.
It sounds like it's going to be delicious in Neymar's Borat recipe. But now then, Neymar.
Since we're making a big batch,
Look at them gains.
add a lot of cinnamon. We're using a grinder to make the cinnamon.
Be careful, okay?
They give it a good
Okay, I
mix.
think that's it. Otherwise you're going to hurt yourself.
Carefully cut the coriander.
We were going to take the kids to the park, but it was chained shut. So now, I'm waiting outside McDonald's while they're inside getting some stuff. I'm not having any, because I just don't fancy McDonald's today, so. Yeah, just waiting for them. And then I'm going to go home and have a sandwich or something. It's absolutely hailing it down. Can't see it at the moment. But I'm on my way to Asda now. On my way back. Some toilet roll, some spaghetti hoops. There's not a picture.
And then some more, and then Georgie.
Is it nice and warm in there?
Yeah, and then Georgie just got
Absolutely lovely. Thank you so much. God bless you too. Back on the boat, and it's time for a classic southern cocktail, the mojito.
I'm not sure what today's vlog was. I'm currently in bed with migraine, and I also have a cold, so I love that for me. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Stay safe. Did I say that right? Stay safe, stay hydrated.